Good morning, grade 7. We are doing set 13 in that question second. Find HCF, LCM and verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. Now this is your first question. First we have to find HCF, then you have to find LCM and then check that product of HCF and LCM is same as product of these two numbers. So let's start. First I am finding out HCF and LCM. So we have two numbers 32 and 37. Now see students, you all know 37 itself is a prime number. So there is not a single number which can divide both the numbers at a time. Yes or no? So you have only 32, 1 is a common factor to both of these numbers. So we can write here ones are 32 and 37. So when there is not a single number which is dividing both the numbers, then you know that HCF of those two numbers is 1. That is highest common factor, because there is no single factor which is or number which is dividing both the numbers. So what you got? HCF is equal to 1. Now coming to LCM. What is LCM? This can't be divided by a single number both at a time. It is not possible. So what we have seen how to find LCM. HCF is also called as GCD. Mind well this as. Both are same. Okay. So highest common factor and greatest common divisor. Both are same. Now we are looking for LCM. Now after dividing, because there is no common divisor which is there for 32 and 37, we know that LCM is product of numbers in the last column multiply by product of numbers in the last row. So your LCM itself is what? 1 into 32 into 37. This will be your LCM. Remember well again, when there are two numbers and there is not a single number which is dividing both the numbers, their HCF will be 1 and their LCM will be product of the two numbers. Always remember this. So let us find out what is product. We have 32 into 37. Alright. So we have 7 2s are 14 and here 21 plus 1 22. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So what we got? 4 8 1 1. So your LCM is what? 1 1 8 4. Okay. Sorry. So we have 1 1 8 4. That is your LCM. Now let us check. Verify they are same. Alright. Now first we will check. So what we have? HCF is equal to 1. LCM is equal to 1184. Now verify that their product means these two product of LCM and HCF should be equal to the product of given numbers. Now first we will find product of HCF and LCM. What is this product? So this is what is HCF? 1. And what is LCM? 1184. So answer of this is what? 1184. Okay. So let us call this as A. Now we will find product of two numbers. Product of two numbers will be equal to, which are two numbers given? 32 and 37. 32 into 37. Just now we have seen answer is 1184. Let us call it as B. So compare A and B. Product of two numbers is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. Alright. So from A and B, it is verified that what do we write? Product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the given numbers. So from A and B, it is verified that product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of given numbers. Now see, I am writing it for first time. You should be writing this for every time. Okay. I will not write every time. Otherwise your length of the video will increase. So just see, I will be just writing thus it is verified. And you should be writing, it is verified that product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of given numbers. I hope it is clear. Okay. Shall we go for the next problem? Let's see the second example, 46 and 51. Now, if you look at these two numbers, there is again not a single number which will divide these two numbers at a time. This is divisible by 17(3) and this is divisible by 23 and 2. That's it. So, nothing is common in them. So, again, if there is no common factor dividing both the numbers, then their HCF is 1. We have seen in the earlier example also. Now, LCM will be product of this into this. That is, again 1 is there, so it will be only 46 into 51. So LCM itself is 2346. Now what will be the product of HCF and LCM? HCF into LCM will be 1 into product of this is this, that is LCM. So 2346. So 2346 into 1 is again 2346. Let us call this as A. Now take two numbers. Product of given two numbers is what? We have just now seen. These are itself two numbers, no? 46 and 51. So their product is also 2346. So from A and B, what we conclude? Product of two given numbers is equal to HCF into LCM, or product of HCF and LCM. See, product of HCM and LCM is equal to product of given two numbers. Now come to the third problem, 15 and 60. I have shown here, see now. Both of these numbers are divisible by 3, so we get here 5 and 20. These two are again divisible by 5, so we get 1 and 4. And now further, it's not possible, isn't it? So these two numbers will be your HCF, we have seen in the earlier videos. So your HCF will be 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. And your LCM will be 15 into 1 into 4 is 4. So 15 into 4, that is 3 into 5 into 4. 3 into 5 into 4. I have not taken 1 into consideration. So 3 into 5 into 4 will be again 60. 1 into 4 is 4, so I have written directly 4 over here. So LCM is 60. HCF is 15. Okay. Now can you observe these two numbers? 60 is in table of 15. Okay, you know this. 15 4s are 60. So when there are two numbers such that one number itself is factor of another number, smaller number will always be your HCF. And bigger number will always be your LCM. Okay, so in competitive exams, you can remember this trick. Look at the two numbers. If this is factor of this number, that means one number is completely divisible by another. Smaller number will be your HCF and greater number will be your LCM. Again, we have product of HCF and LCM is 15 into 60 itself, that is 900. And product of two numbers is again 15 into 60, which is 900. So from A and B, what we conclude? Product of two numbers is product of HCF and LCM. This is your fourth problem, students, 18 and 63. I have divided first by 3, 6, 21, again by 3, 2 and 7. Further, I can't divide. So my HCF will be 3 into 3, which is 9. And LCM will be 3 into 3 into 2 into 7. So LCM will be 126. If you multiply all this number, you get 126. Now what is HCF into LCM? This 9 into 126 is 1134. And if you multiply these two numbers also, 18 into 63, again you get 1134. So from A and B, it is verified that product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Similarly, last problem, let us see quickly, 78 and 104. First I have divided by 2, 39, 52, again by 13, I got 3 and 4. Further, it's not possible. So my HCF will be 13 2s are 26 and LCM will be 13 into 2 into 3 into 4. I get 312 as my LCM. Now what is HCF into LCM? Product of these two, that is 26 into 312. I have done here. 312 into 26. I get 8112. 8112. And what is product of two numbers? 78 into 104. You can see here 104 into 78. Again I am getting 8112. And therefore this is A and this is B. From A and B it is verified. Please write the last sentence that product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Okay, so that's all from my side today. Thank you.